Hello ladies and gentlemen, what's up? I'm your host Kasim and you're watching my YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're gonna talk about another awesome project. It's called Daxodus. So it's a really amazing project. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer. This is not an investment advice. I'm not your financial advisor. So make sure to do your own research before any investment are not responsible any profit and losses. So here you can check it out. I'm here on the website homepage. Decentralized exchange Daxodus copy trading made DeFi your gateway to glasses trading with a stable fee, trading across to multiple market, copy trading, single transaction for CX like experience and competitive ranking. You can click on the launch app documents and Twitter. So let's scroll down. So here you can check out information about the copy trading, follow and execute the strategies of top traders in the protocol through our user-friendly copy trading feature. Focus on trading, forget Web3 competitive Daxodus. We make it simple, just trade, enjoy overall more innovative trading experience, gasless, one-click trading, low latency, fair and stable fee, avoid variability and gas fee based on chain. And we need to establish for a stable fee for the every transaction that potentially impact everyone performing the same way. And you can check out their leverage trading. You can also do leverage trading and you can also check out the market performance and everything right here. Their ranking and leagues, the traders battle it out of both of absolute and relative to league with their profit and loss P&L leading the charge. Every week is a new opportunity to claim off the top tier and aim for next level. Don't forget to end of the season reward and higher your tier and the better the prize. Ready to make your mark and click on launch app. Before launching the app, here you can check it out. Their welcome to the Daxodus. Why Daxodus? You can check it out. Their ranking, competitive league, show off the world, and you can check out information about the Daxodus, and then you can use it. Our roadmap is a community to continuous improvement, establishing improvement, and our community is transparency, security, user design remains to forefront of our. You can check out their roadmap. And this is 2024 phase 1 MVP launch Arab and referral program. This is phase 2 copy trading security review. This is phase 3 minute launch league and seasons. This is 4 token launch and governance. So I think it's a latest and big project in 2024 what they are providing. So this is contact. You can also contact their Twitter and Discord, Telegram coming soon. Get started. You can also start a tutorial how to get a guideline USDC faucets, and you can check it out USDT faucets and simply click on this 1000. The amount of receive randomly elected to 100 USD 10 1000 10,000 and 1 million USDC, and you can check it out the faucets and everything right here. Protocol, you can also check out their protocol, copy trading, liquidity pool and token canvas and governance business DXG token and $DXC token and token name Daxodus governance token symbol DXC supply until 2026 entire supply. And you can check out distribution 18% 20% community team public transfer and advisor. And you can check out the utility and everything right here. This is the referral program. You can also check out all the referral program right here. So let's launch their application. Simply you need to click on launch app, and after clicking the launch app, this interface will be open. First of all, you need to connect your wallet. You can use Rainbow, Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet and MetaMask. So let's connect the MetaMask wallet. So here you can check out wallet is successfully connected. Simply click on this option and you can check out my wallet has been connected. So I don't have any balance. You can use your fastest long short air deposit USDC. If you want to deposit, this is the official address. Simply enter your amount, how much you want to deposit. Simply enter your amount here. If you want $10,000, $1,000, it depends on you, and invest always at your own risk. Simply click on deposit, and after clicking the deposit, this is address. Simply go to your wallet and deposit it. It's a very easy method, and this is the official withdraw option, and simply enter your amount, then click on withdrawal. So it's a simple method. So first of all, you can check out their long and short, providing the two way of the earning. You can use your long way, and this is a short way. So if you want to make money in long way, you need to just enter your amount, leverage everything right here, deposit USDT, leverage slider, and you simply enter your amount, and you can do a short trading, long trading. It's depend on you, and you will be get all the information allowed slippage. So here you can check out the Ethereum price prediction. You can also use the best indicator for the price prediction, and you can check it out each and everything right here, limit order and everything right here. So this is all market cap. If you want to do trade in BTC, You can limit order. If you want to limit order trade history, this is your trade history, enter amount and simply trade history. It's very easy method. You can do a trade in AVAX, Link, BNB, Doge, Ethereum and BTC. It's a top coin of cryptocurrency. So this is the official leaderboard, and you can check it out. Last week trader, and this address will be make $17,000 plus. It's a very huge project. So you can check out each and everything, all the leaderboard who making best money in the project. So you can check it out their protocol. Simply click on, you can my weekly PNL, this official protocol. Simply you can check it out, balance and everything amount provided here. Simply if you want to withdraw, deposit and the pool supply, pool value, enter amount, and if you want to withdraw, if you want to deposit, you can do everything. Simply click on faucet. If you want to faucet, simply click on faucet. After clicking the faucet, and you can check it out, this is the minting. So let's wait what is the next process. So you can check it out your withdrawal history and everything right here. This is the leaderboard and the withdrawal history and everything right here. This is our Deduct token, and this is simply faucet's account. Simply you need to faucet, then simply click on minting. After clicking the minting, and after clicking the minting, you need to sign in with your MetaMask account, and then you can sign in easily. So it's very easy method. So you can check out their limit, trade history and everything right here if you want to check your account status. And you can also check out copy address, disconnect and everything right here. If you want withdrawal, simply click on Deduct token and click on this address and simply click on withdrawal address. So it's very easy method. So this is the official Twitter account, Deduct Genius, and you can check it out, join it December 2023. Simply click on follow option, and you can check out all the information right here, their coin wait list, and here you can check out all the information provided on Twitter account, and you'll be get everything about the Deduct token and their live, their logos. You can participate their meme contents, and simply follow their community, and you'll be get a lot of profit from it. So this is the DexoDust public testnet. You can also check out their Discord account. They have almost 20,000 members. This is the official referral program. Referral program is coming soon, and you can make money by inviting your relatives, friends, and you can make $1 million per day. So documents with Twitter decentralized proprietary exchange, and this is the DexoDust waitlist, and you can sign up for the early access, and the farm is not accepting the response. I don't know why, but you can check it all things by yourself. So I hope you understand everything. This is the largest project of 2024. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We'll definitely reply. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. We will meet in our next video.